welcome back to Bethy Marie. Today we're going to be making a delicious dish called stuffed shells. I hope you enjoy, and little Benjamin here is going to be my helper. So let's get started. Ben, are you ready to make food?
Yeah.
All right. So the first thing that we're going to do to make our stuffed shells is we are going to brown some sausage. I'm going to be using Italian sausage. You can...
Can I touch it?
Sure. So let's start by browning that. All right, so now that we've browned our sausage, we're going to go ahead and add a full jar of tomato sauce, marinara sauce is what I'm using this time, into the pan.
Wow.
Stir it together.
Stir it.
The next thing we're going to do is we're going to put about half of the sauce mixture into the bottom of a 9x13 baking dish.
That's a lot of hot.
All right, Ben, can you spread it around with a spoon?
Okay. This one?
Yep. Spread it all around. Okay, now you can set this aside for use later. The next thing that you need to do is you need to boil your pasta shells. We're going to be using 12 ounces of large jumbo pasta shells. Once they're boiled, you can drain them and rinse them with cool water. All right, so the next thing is to make the filling ingredients.
Okay.
First, we need 32 ounces of ricotta cheese. Can you dump it in? Dump it in the bowl. What?
Let's spin around.
All right, to that we are going to add 6 ounces of grated parmesan cheese.
I did it.
Ready? Here we go. You can start stirring, Ben. 1 egg. 2 cloves of minced garlic.
Then spin around.
Salt and pepper. Keep stirring.
That's so spicy.
It's not that spicy. And then we're going to add about 10 leaves of fresh basil, chopped finely. Now we're going to stir it all together until it's nice and smooth. Sure, hold on 1 second. Let me get it started and then you can do some more stirring.
Okay.
It smells so good.
Can I do this?
Sure.
It's like a circle, spin around.
All right, so here comes the fun part. We have cooked our shells and I've drained them, rinsed them with cool water, and now they are ready to be filled. Just a note, make sure...
Are they squishy?
They're a little bit squishy. Make sure when you cook them, you don't let them get too soft. We want them...
Can I get one?
We want them still somewhat firm, al dente, but soft so that they're not crunchy when you eat them. So the next thing we need to do is fill these shells. There's a couple methods we can use. We can scoop out the filling and put it in with a spoon, or we can try piping it in. So we're going to try both methods and show you how that looks. All right, here I have a spoonful of filling, and I'm just putting it in the shell like that. Then you're going to nestle it in the sauce that's in the 9x13 and move on to the next one. This time I'm going to try the piping method. In order to do that, we are going to actually use a Ziploc bag. You can use a pastry bag if you have one, but a Ziploc bag is an easy option that most people have on hand. So we're going to scoop some of our filling into this bag. Gonna shake it down into the corner.
I got some.
Okay, just leave it there, buddy, for a minute. You're gonna get your scissors and just snip off the end. Open your shell and then just squeeze the filling right in. Much less mess. That worked really well. So we're gonna move on to the next shell. Do the same thing. Set it in the dish. Squeeze it till it fills up the shell. Okay, stop. Look, good job, you filled it up.
Yeah.
And we're gonna do some more, okay? All right, let's do another one. Good job. All right, so we've stuffed all of our shells and crammed this pan full of them. So now we're gonna put the rest of our tomato sauce and sausage mixture over the top, and then you are gonna sprinkle all of this cheese.
Okay.
8 ounces of shredded mozzarella. Wait just a second, let me put the
Okay,
sauce
Mom.
on first.
Okay, Mom. You do it. What?
We're just gonna spread that sauce over the top, let it kind of fall down in between.
Make it spicy.
Oh, it's not gonna be too spicy, sweetie. All right, well, Ben, it's your turn to sprinkle on the cheese. Go for it. All over the top. Okay, let's just sort of brush the rest into here.
I rebuffed it.
All right, this is going to go in the oven, 350 degrees.
And then we have to eat it.
After it comes out, we'll eat it. 25 minutes until it's hot and bubbly. All right, well, our stuffed shells have just come out of the oven. They're super hot and they smell so good. I did turn the broiler on just the last minute or so to let the top kind of brown a little bit. So that's something you might want to do at home. All right, Ben, should we scoop some out and put them on a plate?
Yeah.
Yeah? All right, let's give it a try.
Yeah, let's give it a try. Oh, it's gonna be so good. Oh, yes it is. And it's so squishy.
Let's put a little extra on there too.
I'm gonna try
Oh
it.
my goodness.
I'm gonna
Smell it. So good. How about if we sprinkle a little bit of fresh basil on the top? What do you think?
Good.
You want to do it for me? Sprinkle some fresh basil on top.
Yeah. I did.
It looks delicious. Awesome. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Yummy goodness. I'll put the recipe in the description below the video. Please like, subscribe, and you'll get more videos coming your way. Goodbye, everybody.
Bye.
See you next time.
See you next time.